Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use to make our cheesy Italian dinner roll. So we need 4 cups of flour, 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of butter, a 1/3 cup of water, a 1/2 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. So this is what we're going to use to make our rolls. We're also going to use 2 cloves of crushed garlic, some small blocks of cheese, some melted butter, and some sesame seeds. So in this video, I used my bread machine in order to make the dough. So I just put all the wet ingredients in first, and then I added the dry ingredients and use the bread machine to mix the dough. And what the bread machine used to do is that it will mix the dough, and then it will sort of create a temperature which was warm and would allow the dough to proof. So I'm just adding everything in, as you can see, the crushed garlic, all the ingredients that we had on the plate, and now it's just mixing everything together. Now I don't use that bread machine anymore. Now I have a KitchenAid stand mixer, which I use in order to make my dough. All right, so after the dough was mixed and it had time to rise, I'm now putting it on a floured surface here, and we are going to cut out our pieces of dough to form into our dinner rolls. And what we're going to do is stuff each of the rolls with some cheese. Okay, so we can place it on a greased baking pan, or you can also use parchment paper in order to bake your dinner rolls. All right, so now we have to leave this to rise. What we're going to do now is melt some butter. We're going to add the sesame seed on top. So after it was left to rise for a while, we're going to brush the top of the dinner rolls with the melted butter, and then we're going to sprinkle the sesame seeds on top and put it in the oven to bake. So we're going to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes.